For this particular task, we've got once again a set of inputs, 3 switches, A, B, and C, and 2 outputs. And what we're trying to do is design a circuit that will actually simulate what's going on here. So as I look at this, I go, when is X turning on? Well, X is always on when A is on, and X is also always on when B is on. And so I probably can simulate what X is doing by just using maybe an OR gate. And then similarly for Y only turns on when there's a C and a B. So it happens when those 2 bits are there, that's where we get from there. So let's see if we can design that particular circuit. So we're going to jump back to our circuit design program, and we're going to come in here to input. Let's grab 3 inputs. Sometimes I don't always like to do this, but I know we should. We're going to label them A, B, and C. All right, so in the first one that we said A and B would be, A or B would be on, I think is what we looked at here. So the A's are on or the B's are on. So I simply can go and come in here to my gates, grab an OR gate here, wire that up, bring that across, and then that should then go to an output, which would be my X. So let's just label that with the text tool. Put that nice and nearby. Right, so that's in place there, and I think that's working. So if 1's on, if A is on, or B is on, it does work. All right, let's have a look if we can do the other one, which in this case was B and C. So once again, we'll go to our gates, we'll grab an AND, we will wire that up like that, we'll wire this one up to there, we'll grab another output, which in this case will be Y, we'll join that up. Don't get confused by the X that's there until it's wired up. The X is just telling us that there's an error. It's not that it's gate X. So put the Y in here. And so then if we go through, we should be able to map our truth table back up here and go, yes, does this do exactly what we wanted it to do? Try all the circuit combinations and confirm that it works. And hopefully we have actually created this circuit so that it's good there and it will actually produce the lights on at the appropriate times.